Question 3. List all the factors of the following numbers. Welcome to Majib. We are starting part 2 of multiples and factors exercise 7.4, which is class 4, but it will be helpful or ideal for grade 5 to 7. So let's get started. Question 3.1. We have to find out the factors of 9, right? So how we can find out factors of 9? Factors of 9. Look, 9 we can write 1 times 9, right? 9 we cannot multiples of 2, or 9 we cannot divide by 2, but we can divide by 3. So 3 times 3. So here we get three things. One is 1, 3 and 9. What does mean? It means 9 we can divide by 1 and we will get 9. 9 we can divide by 3 and we will get 3. And finally 9 we can divide by 9 and we will get 1. So here is 1, 3 and 9. So factors of 9 is what? 1, 3 and 9. Very simple. Number 2, 12. 12 also similar thing, like 12 we can write 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4 and 4 times 3, complete. So factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? Very simple. Number 3, 24. So let's find out. 24 we can write like 1 times 24 is a 24, 2 times 12 also 24, then 3 times 8 is also 24, 4 times 6 also 24, 7 is not possible, 8 already done. So we already get in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So we can write this is factors of 24. So I'm not writing full sentence. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All are factors of 24. So let's check. Suppose these 24 we can divide by 1, right? We will get 24, no remainder. 24 we can divide by 2, then we will get 12. 24 we can divide by 3, so we will get what? 8. 24 we can divide by 4, so we will get 6. 24 we can divide by what? 5 is not possible, 6 possible, already get 6, right? Because once we divide by 6 we will get 4. Then 24 we can divide by 8, so we will get 3. 24 we can divide by 8, 9 is not possible, 10 is not possible, 11 is not possible, 12 is possible. 24 divide 12 we will get 2. And finally once we divide 24 by 24 we will get 1. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Very simple, which we already wrote. Number 4, 30. So very simple, let's try like this way. 30 we can divide by 1, then we will get 30. 30 we can divide by 2, so we will get what? 15. 30 we can divide by 3, we will get 10. 30 we can divide, 4 is not possible, 5, then we will get 6. 30 we can divide by 6, we will get 5. 30 we can divide, 7 is not possible, 8 is not possible, 9 is not possible, 10 is possible, so we will get 3. 30 we can divide, 11, 12, 13, 14 is not possible, 15 is possible, then we will get 2. And finally 30 we can divide by 30, so we will get 1. So what is the factors of 30? The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, then 15, and finally 30. Very simple. So number 3, list all the factors of the following numbers. Done. It's a very interesting question and also very important question for any level, standard 4 to 7. So don't neglect these kinds of math. Now we will start number 4. Question 4. List all the common factors of the following numbers and also write the highest common factors HCF for each pair. So number 4, 1, 9 and 15, we have to find out common factors and also highest common factors. So first 9, we already discussed about common factors, like 9 times 1 equals to 9, then 3 times 3 equals to 9. So 1, 3, 9 is a factors of 9. So we can say 1, 3, 9 is factors of 9. Okay, then 15. 15 we can write like 1 times 15, then 3 times 5. So here is 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, this is the factors of 15. So common factors. Common factors. Common factors, which is common? 1 both available, 3 also available. So 1 and 3 is a common factors. So what is the highest common factor? HCF. Highest common factor is 3. So this is our answer. Very simple. Number 2. Here is the pair is 14 and 21. So first we have to find out the factors of 14. 14, like this is 14, we can say 1 times 14, 2 times 7, 3 is not possible, 4 is not possible, 6 is not possible, 7 is possible, which is 7 times 2. So we can say 1, 2, 7 and 14. This is the factors of 14. Then 21. 21 we can write like this is 21, it means 1 times 21, 2 is not possible, 3 times 7, and then 4, 5, 6 is not possible. So factors is 1, 3, 7, 21. So what is the common factors of 14 and 21? Common factor. Common factors 1 and 7. 1, 7. So HCF is the highest one, which is 7. Very simple. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3, 24 and 40. Number 3, 24 and 40. So first we have to find out 24. We can write like 24 equals to 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. 5 not possible, 6 already wrote. So common factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. What about 40? 40, 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 3 is not possible, 4 possible, 4 times 10, 5 possible, 5 times 8, 6, 7, 8 already wrote. So we can say 40, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40 are factors of 40. So common factors. Which is common? Look, 1 common, 2 common, 4 common, 5, 6 not common, 8 common. So this is the common thing. So we can write like 1, 2, 4, 8. Right? 1, 2, 4, 8. So what is HCF? Highest one. It means 8. Very simple. So number 3 done. 1, 2, 3 done. Now number 4, which is 5 and 9. Look, 5 and 9, it's important thing. Number 4, 5 and 9, we have to find out common factors and highest common factors. 5 we can write 1 and 5. 9 we can write 1, 3, 9. It's a very simple. So common only what? Common 1. So HCF also 1 because only single thing. So number 3 and 4 question answer successfully complete. Thanks for being with me. Next video we will see number 5. Till then, take care, keep practice at home. Thank you.